Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.4 question number 1b. What is question number 1b? Find the common factors of 15 and 25. Question number B. Right? This is question number B. This is 15 and 25. 15 and 25. First of all, we will find the factors of 15. We can write here as 1 into 15 is equal to 15, and also 3 into 5 is equal to 15, right? Right? Therefore, factors of 15 are factors of 15 factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Right? I will find the factors of 25. That is 1 into 25 is equal to 25, and 5 is a 25, that is 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Therefore, you can say the factors of 25 are the factors of 25 factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25. Right? Now we will find the common factors of 15 and 25. Therefore, the common factors common factors of 15 and 25 are, here you see the common factors is 1, obviously 1, and you see 5 is common, right? Are 1 and 5. Okay, this is the solution of question number B.